Hi, I'm John Rowland, and I'm going to give you a quick factory tour. We just pushed a container last night, so I'll show you what's staged up on the floor for today. Alright, so this is stuff that's either going to powder coat or just come from powder coat. I got a bunch of hoods that are ready for powder coat, 24s. I got 18s, hoods, belt guards, another 24. More 24s, 16 belt guards, and this is a bunch of stuff back from powder, and this is ready to go to powder. The 18 hoods there ready to go to powder. I got C8s that are ready to set up and start building. And over here I've got, looks like some 16s but mostly 18s. Some 16 hoods, some high tone hoods. I got a bunch of trays for high tones, 12s and 14s. There's 12 and 14 stuff there. And over here, I got more 24s, another 18s, more 18s, more 24s. Those going to powder today. And then over here, this stuff is just back from powder, just getting set up, get it bolted to the pallets first. And then got some PTs, and down this row we're just queuing up a big batch of C8s. And it's not all of them, this is all we got room for on the floor. And down on the left here, these are 16s, a whole bunch of 16s, and then we got more 18s. And these are high tone 14s over here. A few in the back that are getting aligned, it looks like. And then over here we've got a few 10s, some 12s, and more 14s back there. And let's go over here because I think there's more stuff in this other room. Yep, there's more stuff over here, so obviously we need more production space. So this is high tone 14 drops, a whole bunch of them, some model 12s. Believe it or not, a single screw is stopping us on these 12s. I need some shoulder screws that I'm back ordered on. So that's a quick idea of all the stuff that's in the pipe. I'm building a lot right now.